Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafsa and today we will discuss the topic movement. The learning objectives of this lesson are learn about the movement and understand the types of the movement. Dear students, movement is an act. We move in different ways. We can move many parts of our body. We can move forward and backward. We walk with our legs. Running is also a movement. Jumping is another type of movement. Students, this player is kicking the ball. Pushing the trolley is also a movement. We open the fridge by pulling its door. Stretching the body, holding something with hands, chewing, and writing are also the examples of movement. Dear students, there is a task for you. Write 5 parts of the body and write 5 examples of push and pull. In case of any query, please contact on the given email address. See you in the next lecture. Now enjoy the music.
Jump